Hello everyone, a video on circles in which we would cover the most important questions on the concept of equal chords and their distances from center. So let's see the first one. The question says, three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. Three of them are playing. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So in this question, there is a circular park in which these three girls, Reshma, Salma, and Mandeep, are standing. Their positions are marked by R, S, and M respectively. The distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is same. It is 6 meter each. The circular park in which girls are playing has got the radius 5 meters. We are asked to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Observe this figure carefully. If we see R, S and SM, this distance is equal. OS is 5. If we connect OR and OM, we would get two congruent triangles. By triple S rules, triangles would be congruent. So we would just find out area of one that would be equal to area of the other. That's another way of simplifying this question. There are three different methods, so I'm sharing the easiest method to solve it. So let's do that construction. We would connect OR and OS, OM. So here on connecting OR and OM, since these two are also radii, so 5 meter each, we would find area of triangle ROS by applying Heron's formula. Let us proceed with the solution. Simultaneously we would discuss about it. So in triangle ROS we are calculating semi-perimeter. We know sides, sum of all sides, 6 plus 5 plus 5, and this would be divided by 2. Adding all, this is 16 by 2, which makes it 8 meters. So semi-perimeter is 8 meters. Area would be, it's square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What are these A, B, C? These are sides A, B and C. Substitute the values and find out. This is 8, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 5 and one more times 8 minus 5. This becomes 8 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is paired up, 1 3 comes out. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 is perfect square for 4. So this is 3 into 4 makes it 12. So area of this triangle is 12 meters square. Now listen. Since we are asked to find the distance between R and M, we need to find Reshma and Salma's distance. If we connect RM, or if I say that joining R and M, this would be actually perpendicular. Let me just draw perpendicular. Let's do it this way. Let me draw perpendicular from R to the side OS, and I am marking it as RP. Area of triangle ROS in terms of base and altitude would be half into base, which is 5, into altitude, which is PR or RP. Also, area which we have calculated is 12 meters squares. So 12 meters square into half into 5 makes it PR. What would be PR? I'll just do it here. That implies this is 12 into 2. This 2 goes up. 12 into 2 and this 5 comes down. This would be the length for PR. This is 24 by 5. It's PR. PR is 24 by 5. 24 by 5 is 4.8. So 4.8 meters is the length of this altitude. Now observe this carefully. OP is perpendicular to, if I join RM, it would be a chord. A perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Okay, let us see. So from center to this chord RM, OP is serving as a perpendicular, and we know this, we have done this in a theorem. Whenever perpendicular falls from the center to the chord, it bisects the chord. Now if we already know the length of PR, which is 4.8, that implies length of RM must be twice of 4.8, which makes it 9.6 meters. So that's how we would find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, who were playing in a circular park having the radius 5 meters. Okay, so one of the most important questions, check all the steps carefully. Now the next question, a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Sayyad and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Question number 6 is, there are three boys, Ankur, Sayyad and David. They are sitting in a circular park which has got radius 20 meters. These boys are holding toy telephones in their hands, and the length, since the boys are sitting at equal distance, that indicates that AS, SD and DA, the distance between them must be equal. So this figure ASD is actually equilateral triangle. We can mark the side as A units. Remember one thing, whenever in any equilateral triangle, whether we construct a median, if we construct a median, that would actually serve as perpendicular bisector. If we construct a perpendicular, simply perpendicular, that would be actually a perpendicular bisector. We can prove this result. If we construct just a bisector or a median, bisector and median is one and the same thing, that would be dividing the base into equal parts, and that would also form angle of 90 at the base. Now look at this figure. I have just constructed a rough figure. There's a triangle ABC which is equilateral. Oh, let me mark these sides. All sides are equal, and AD I have taken as a median. Okay, if AD is a median, the base definitely is divided into two equal parts. Now let us understand that how median in equilateral triangle would actually become a perpendicular bisector. Triangle ABD, triangle ACD, they are congruent. How? AB is equal to AC, it's given since they are sides of equilateral triangle. BD is equal to CD because AD is a median, and AD equals to AD. That proves triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Now if these triangles are congruent, this means the angles over here, angle ADB must be equal to angle ADC, but these angles are formed on a straight line. That would make each angle 90 by linear pair. So AD, which was simply a median, is not just a median, it is a perpendicular bisector. Alright, so this is how we can say that whenever there is an equilateral triangle, over here also we observe ASD is an equilateral triangle. In this equilateral triangle, if we draw a median from this vertex A to fall on SD, that would be serving as perpendicular bisector. Let me draw that first of all. So I am marking it as AB. Yes, AB is a median for this base SD. This means SB and BD are divided into equal parts. So this is A by 2. This would also be A by 2. Let me mention these details as AB is a median of an equilateral triangle ASD. That implies AB would be serving as a perpendicular bisector. It is serving as perpendicular bisector. Now, one important concept you must know, the point where all the medians meet. If we take a triangle, there is a triangle ABC. From B, one median is drawn, from C, another median is drawn, and from A. The point where all the medians meet is represented by G, and it's called centroid. Okay, and centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Very important result. So this means if SO is produced, let me produce it. If SO is produced, AO is already produced to meet point B. This means AO is to OB must be 2:1. Now, do we know the length of AO? What is the length of AO? Let's put the value of AO. AO is radius of the circle. So, radius of circle is given 20 meters. This is 2:1. So, OB 20 meters upon OB is 2:1. That makes the length of OB as 10 meters. And if OB is found as 10 meters, now we would be taking triangle OBS since it's right angle triangle. Now in triangle OBS, OS square must be equal to OB square plus BS square. We have applied Pythagoras. Length of OS we already know, it is 20, square 20. OB is found as 10, square this 10, and BS square. 20 square would be 400. 10 square is 100, bring it to the other end. And BS square. BS is actually A by 2. 300, that implies 300 equals to A square by 4, or 1200 is A square. So what would be A? What is the length of A? A will be square root of 1200. What is square root of 1200? This would be 400 into 3. 400 is 20 into 20. Bring this 20 out. and root 3. So this is the length of the string which the boys are holding. Each boy has got string of measure 20 root 3 meters.